How do you measure sight height? Have you ever wondered how to measure sight height and why it matters in shooting, hunting, and archery? Understanding this measurement is key to ensuring your shots hit their mark. Sight height, also known as height over bore, is the vertical distance between the center of your firearm's barrel and the center of your sighting device. This measurement plays a significant role in bullet trajectory calculations and helps you zero your rifle accurately. To measure sight height accurately, you can follow a few straightforward steps. First, identify the center of the bore. The bore center line runs through the middle of the barrel. To find this, remove the bolt and insert a cleaning rod or bore guide through the barrel. This gives you a straight reference line representing the bore center. Next, you need to identify the center of your sight. For scopes, this is the center of the scope tube or the reticle inside the scope. If you are using iron sights, it is the center of the front or rear sight aperture. Now let's measure the vertical distance between these 2 points. A simple method is to measure from the center of the bore, using the cleaning rod or bore guide, to the center of the scope tube or sight. Alternatively, you can measure from the top of the bolt face, which aligns with the bore center, to the bottom of the scope tube or sight base. Then, add half the diameter of the bolt and half the diameter of the scope tube. This method accounts for the radius of both the bolt and scope tube, ensuring greater precision. Using precise tools is essential for accuracy. Calipers are great for measuring diameters, while a steel ruler or tape measure works well for measuring vertical distances. This accuracy is especially important for long-range shooting, where even small errors in sight height can significantly affect bullet impact. Typical sight heights for rifle scopes range from about 1.5 to 1.8 inches above the bore center, depending on the specific rifle and scope combination. Knowing your sight height allows you to input correct data into ballistic calculators or custom turret dials. This information is vital for ethical hunting shots at varying distances and for archers using sights to adjust for arrow trajectory. Measuring sight height involves determining the vertical distance from the center of your firearm's barrel to the center of your sight. By using a combination of direct measurements and accounting for the diameters of the components involved, you can achieve a precise measurement. This measurement is a key factor in understanding and compensating for bullet or arrow trajectory in shooting, hunting, and archery.